And this is the scene. Ingham County Fairgrounds.
Yep.
2018. This is just one part. I mean, it goes all way down there. Yeah. Huge turnout this year.
Hey, little bear, we get out of here.
Yeah,
Almost done?
it's gonna take a while to get out of here.
Oh, it will.
Yeah.
I'm sure of that.
Lock. Where's the line? Oh. Ah.
Oh, I know.
The good line.
It's pretty much.
Okay, we just gonna take our time.
There's a lot of traffic. It's pretty crazy. Everybody's like jumbled up, and this is how it gets every year.
I'm not sleeping.
Well, that's why you came up with the top rope. Yeah.
I chose the firework. I'm not sleeping.
We got people vending
I'm not sleeping.
You're not gonna go to work with me in the morning?
No.
those light up things.
Why
We got
Oh, man, I'm gonna get up.
You're not gonna get up.
people lighting off their own fireworks.
Get up early, get going. Is this Ron? Is this you down here?
Yeah, that's mine. Yeah.
Hey,
Just
Look.
was almost a victim.
look. I'm gonna show you my fireworks later.
Okay, show me later. Get ready to go.
Can
See, that
you-
person's lighting their own fireworks off.
Yeah.
Look, here they.
Another one.
Hang on, got good glue in.
Here they fire.
Oh, we got smoke bombs.
Here, I'm gonna hear this.
There's a lot of smoke all over
Look,
the. It's like a war zone out here.
look.
I know, man. I'm recording a video. Hold on. Let me see. Awesome. My cousin showing me his recording.
Yeah, I'm not sitting there.
Anyway, we're gonna get out of here. If you like my videos, like and subscribe. Leave some comments. Peace out.